Hi, I'm Anthony Serrano, and I'm the next Food Network star. I'm 37 years old, and I live in Queen Creek, Arizona. I'm a restaurateur, executive chef, blogger, brand ambassador, social media influencer, and most importantly, a father. I'm the premier source when it comes to anything cooking related, not only because I was trained by my dad, who's also a chef, but I attended the prestigious Le Cordon Bleu, where I graduated first in my class with a degree in culinary management. My grandmother owned a restaurant, my parents owned restaurants, my sister owns a restaurant, and I own a restaurant. Cooking is such a part of our family that we've created an entire restaurant empire. Cooking runs in my blood. I'm a second-generation chef carrying on my family's traditions. We currently have 6 locations spread throughout Arizona and Nevada, including Mexican restaurants, a gastropub, and a catering company. I love to share my kitchen tips, tricks, and secrets. Here's a few of my favorites. Oh no, I was playing on my phone and my pan's caught on fire. Don't worry, we don't need to panic. Just remember my mantra, nothing in the kitchen goes wrong, you just have to overcome and adapt. First, we turn off the fire, then we use some baking soda, we smother the flames, or we use a lid, cover it, and bam, the fire's off. Nothing gets me more upset than coming home from the grocery store and finding out that my avocados aren't ripe. Sometimes I look at them under the light, sometimes I shake them, sometimes I tap them, other times I try to juggle them. Ah. The best thing to do is look for the little sticker that says ripe. That's my starting point. Then I give them a little press on their skin and see if there's a little bit of a give. If there's give, it's a 99.9% chance they're ready to eat. Enjoy. I'm also an avid food sport competitor where I've won over $60,000 in various culinary competitions with multiple first place awards, including my first place category win at the 2016 World Food Championships, where I beat out nearly 50 teams, including many Food Network champions. In the world of food sport and competitive cooking, I'm known, liked, and respected. At my core though, I live and breathe everything food related, and I love to learn from and teach people the world of culinary arts. My culinary point of view can be summed up by saying, I cook a cultural melting pot of comfort food. The world and America has become a melting pot of different foods from different cultures, most of which are comfort foods that remind us of our childhood and happier times. I love to explore and combine cultures through food. I'm a firm believer that nothing in the kitchen goes wrong. We just have to adapt. I love to share my experiences on social media with my 20,000 followers. And I'm regularly seen on local and national TV. I've been featured on the Food Network, the Cooking Channel, and the Travel Channel, on shows like Beach Bites with Katie Lee and Ginormous Food. I'm Anthony Serrano, and I am the next Food Network star. I hope you've enjoyed watching this as much as I've enjoyed filming it for you.